Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Wednesday, December 10th. A 69-year-old Oklahoma woman is heading home after being jailed in the Bahamas for having a loaded gun in her purse while reboarding Royal Caribbean's Liberty of the Seas in Nassau. Her family says the weapon was legally owned and forgotten, citing her mild dementia. Bahamian law requires jail or a fine for firearms, and when she couldn't pay the $8,000 penalty, a judge sentenced her to 2 years in prison. A GoFundMe quickly raised over $12,000 to cover the fine and the travel costs. At the time of broadcast, she's now on her way back to the U.S. And for anyone wondering how the gun made it on board in the first place, reportedly, security at both Port Everglades and her departure airport missed it during screening. And Virgin Voyages is launching what it calls the world's widest status match program, offering instant perks to travelers from over 35 different loyalty programs. Now, this includes cruise lines like Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, MSC, and Carnival Cruise Line, plus major airlines and hotel chains like Delta, United, Marriott, and Hilton. Qualified guests get brought in under the Blue Extras package, which gives you premium coffee, free laundry, and priority service on the first cruise. The status match window runs through January 16th, and cruisers must book by March 31st to claim benefits. And Norwegian Cruise Line is upgrading Norwegian Jade and Norwegian Gem during a dry dock early next year. Both ships will get a new adults-only Vibe Beach Club, replacing the sun deck with a hot tub, private cabanas, and a dedicated bar. Norwegian Jade will also add a Starbucks on Deck 7 before resuming Alaska cruises from Vancouver in May. Norwegian Gem returns to service on May 11th, sailing Mediterranean and Greek Isle cruises from Rome and Venice. And cruise stocks were mixed on Tuesday. Carnival Corporation down 2%, 25.51. Royal Caribbean down 2%, 248.32. Norwegian down 2%, 18.72. And Viking up 2%, 67.77. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net. Just off a plane in Narita in Japan outside of Tokyo. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great Wednesday.